Haircuts with Frank. Hi, I'm Frank.
Hi, I'm Frank, and today I'm going to show y'all how to wash hair in a toilet bowl. I mean a shampoo bowl. Now this here is what you call a shampoo bowl, and you can put the client, their neck right here, and usually what they do is they lean all the way back like this. That kind of hurts, ow. Or sometimes what I like to do is I like to face them the opposite direction and have their face in the sink. Let me show y'all. So since nobody wanted to volunteer to be a model for this video, here we have this doll head here. All right, so I got the water running right here, and what you want to do is you want to have the client tilt their head back to the point where they're saying, "Ow, that hurts." All right, you make sure they're back in the sink. You want to stretch that neck out. So you want to make sure you wet all that hair right in the front. All right, it may get in their ears a little bit, and don't worry about their makeup, okay? They're not here to get their makeup done. They're here to get their hair done, all right? Don't worry about that makeup smearing off. What you want to do is you want to make sure you have something with a pump, all right? That pump here makes it nice and easy for you. Now you want to make sure that you're not going to get the shampoo in the client's eyes, nose, or face. You want to make sure it's going right in their hair. Now I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm trying to talk to you guys watching. So you want to make sure that you're getting it all over the hair. All right, here's the sides of the head right here. Here's the other side right here. All right, you want to get right into the hairline, right down into here, and you want to keep scrubbing and scrubbing until you got all that hair nice and clean. All right, so I decided to do a second shampoo because the client's hair is pretty filthy. Now I can't really see what's going on in the front here. I'm looking at y'all while I'm talking to you, but you want to make sure you're getting that hairline right into here. All right. I can feel it right now. That hairline is a lot of buildup from hair products on there. So you want to make sure you're getting in there, right? Now you want to keep working it through until you feel that that hair is nice and clean. Then you rinse it out again, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to keep watching my videos. I've been around other places. I haven't been around on YouTube and the internet much, but I guess I'll see you all again soon. Bye.
Haircuts with Frank. Hi, I'm Frank.